Hello student, in my previous video I have explained you the topic discovery of new sea route to India. Today let me continue with the next topic, that is arrival of Europeans to India, arrival of the British and establishment of trade centers. The Portuguese arrived first in India for trade after the discovery of the sea route to India. Within a span of 100 years, the Portuguese took control of several territories like Diu, Daman, Goa, Cochin, Malacca, etc. Inspired by the Portuguese success in trade, the Dutch from Holland and the Danish from Denmark arrived in India for trade. The English traders established the East India Company to carry out trade with India. In 1600 AD, when Queen Elizabeth of England gave the permission to the East India Company to carry out trade with the eastern countries, the first ship under the leadership of Captain William Hawkins arrived in Surat. But due to the dominance and opposition from the Portuguese, they were not allowed to establish their trade there. But finally, the East India Company got the permission from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir, and thus the British East India Company established its first trade center, that is Kothi, in Surat in 1613 AD. Initially, the company established its trade centers in Surat, Bharuch and Ahmedabad. But due to the strong presence of the Marathas in this region, the company sensed danger to its existence and hence moved towards the south and east directions, where they set up their centers in Machilipatnam, that is Andhra Pradesh, St. George, that is Chennai, and Fort William, that is Kolkata. Mumbai became their headquarters in 1687 AD. The French East India Company arrived in India for trade in 1668 AD and eventually set up their trade centers in Mahi, Karaikal, Pondicherry, Chandranagar, Machilipatnam, etc. In the 18th century, the English and the French were constantly busy establishing their rule in the entire world and conquering more territories. Between 1746 and 1763, there were three Karnataka wars between the French East India Company and the British East India Company in India, which the French East India Company lost, thus making easy the expansion of the British East India Company. Thus, at the end of this battle for power, the Portuguese were left with Diu, Daman, Goa, while French had their trade center at Chandranagar, Mahi, Karaikal and Pondicherry. Meanwhile, the Dutch had to leave forever. Now to understand more clearly, refer page 4, map 1.2 European colonies in India. In the map, Portuguese colonies are shown or denoted by stars, French colonies by triangle and the British colony by circle. Now let me guide you short question answers based on this topic. Question 1. Who were the first among the European people to come to India for trade? Answer is the Portuguese were the first among the European people to come to India for trade. Next question. Which other European people were inspired by the success of the Portuguese for trade with India? Answer is the Dutch, the Danish, the English and the French were inspired to come to India for trade due to the success of the Portuguese. Next question. Where and when did the East India Company set up its first trade center in India? The answer is the East India Company set up its first trade center in India at Surat in 1613 AD. Next question. Name the places in India where the East India Company set up its trade centers. The answer is The East India Company set up its trade centers in India at Surat, Bharuch, Machilipatnam, St. George, Fort William, Kolkata, and Mumbai. Next question. When did the French traders come to India? Name their trading centers. Answer is the French traders came to India in 1668. They set up their trading centers at Mahi, Karaikal, Pondicherry, Chandranagar and Machilipatnam. Next question. Which territories in India remained with the Portuguese and the French at the end of power conflict? Answer is at the end of the power conflict, Portuguese retained Diu, Daman and Goa, whereas Mahi, Karaikal, Chandranagar and Pondicherry remained with the French. In my next video, I will explain you the further topic. Thank you.